Hi everybody, it's Ethany. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if it's the first time you've been watching me on the internet. And I have got a 2-for-1 today. I purchased one set and I got sent a second one. You're about to see what on earth I'm talking about. It is the Nature's Portals by my friend, an incredibly talented tarot person, Jamie Sawyer. So I actually ordered the Tarot Portals tokens, the actual set, which was sent. So I purchased these off of Jamie's Lucky Blind Luck Co. Etsy store. It's going to come to me. Etsy store. And this beautiful box came with the portal tiles inside because I am obsessed with the tiles. And I said to her, hey boo, this is like the deluxe set of tiles. Did you want to also send the cards? And I can show the cards as well. So people want to get the deck and support your artwork. They can also have a look at this option as well. And she sent me the Nature's Portals. I'm really excited. I love her work. I have all of her work. I've got earrings that have been made by her. I've got a ton of Jamie's stuff, so I'm a massive fan. She's also a lovely person to boot. So I'm going to swap over the cameras and I'm going to show you both. I'm going to go through the Nature's Portals oracle cards, and we're going to have a look at the beautiful set that was the resined and lasered by her company. So yeah, let's go do it. I'm really excited. Okay, so now we're going to explore Nature's Portals, or Sawyer's Nature's Portals together. The only thing I've done is take the plastic off of the box for the cards, because I wanted to, it goes like that. Oh, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. Ooh, so pretty. And I've shown this, so that's my little certificate of authenticity. And this, now I don't know what order everything is in, so we're gonna give it a go. So as I mentioned before, everything is laser cut and it's so exquisitely done. Bees! Oh my gosh, they're quite big. They're quite large. I think they're probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches? I don't know. I'm not very good at measuring things. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so everything comes in alphabetical order. It tells you on here. Oh yay, it's not double wrapped, because we all know how great I am at getting things out of. So I love that there are little rivets put in here. I'm not sure that's not the right word, but cutouts. So it's easier to get everything out. Beautiful box design. And it actually opens like this. Really gorgeous. Now there is the journal that you can go and download. So they are round. You can probably hear Thor, who's now come to lie at my feet. With, a grey matting. Ooh, I like that. Looks like a gunmetal grey charcoal. So this is Jamie and Gail. Gail is mama to Jamie, and I met both of them at Newt's the first time, and they are just so lovely. Yeah, she's pretty great. Pretty fabulous. Now again, these are going to be in different orders, so I'm going to go through the cards and then we'll go through bat. So these, it's like the whole idea for this is as if you were looking through a portal to see what's happening with the animal, and your peering into, as she says here, peering into a brief moment in time, what story would we witness? How could it affect us? What would it be a fleeting glimpse, or would we allow change to manifest within our own lives? So it's an ability to kind of like look through a lens, which is why it has these gorgeous borders like it does, as if you were like looking through a little portal at these creatures. So we have bat. And I love that idea. I mean, I love all of Jamie's artwork. Bear, oh, look at the bear. Bear, I'm a bear. Such a dag. So we have the bee. Oh, I mean, the colors are so beautiful and vivid. The cardstock is really lovely. That's probably like a 350 GSM. It's a nice sturdy cardstock. Oh look, maybe we'll get blue jay. And these are so gorgeously created. Everything is so gorgeously created. And I wanted to show you both of them just so you can see. And this is the bat. Looks like we've kind of found a little bit of a rhythm here. It looks like a robin. I don't know. I'm not a bird person. What is a bird person? I'm not a bird watcher, but a person who like really likes birds. They're pretty. Cat. I wonder if this is Jamie's cat or her mum's cat. Oop. Caterpillar. The colours are so beautiful. Everything about Jamie's artwork just makes me want to, I don't know, colour be better. Oh, look at the little chickadees. I want so many, I need a few. Oh, that's got to be someone that she knows, even maybe her mum on that one. Maybe Jamie will let me know when she watches the video. Chipmunk. You can tell with little stripes. Squirrels have no stripes. Chipmunks have stripes. Ooh. Fly, pesky, necessary but pesky. So I really don't think either, like if you got either of these sets, I think you would be very happy. Oh, cow. Cows are so freaking cute. I can't wait to see how they read. I know that everything that I've ever gotten from Jamie, I have enjoyed so much. Coyote. We get these in the area that I live. Quite a few coyotes. They're so small. I thought they'd be bigger. They're kind of like dingoes. We've lost the we've lost the connection. Oh, here we go. Hang on. Take that little piece of packing out. Then we have the crow. I appreciate everyone bearing with me while I try to find everything. We have the deer. Seeing lots of these around as well in the Canadian Rockies and in the mountains here. Even if you just go outside of the city a little bit here, you can tend to find them. I'm just going to see if I can find the next one. Nope. No, I thought we had like a, I thought I had it, everybody. I did not. Ah! Oh, what's this? Oh, there it is. Dog. It was in the box. Poppers. Oh my gosh. That's got to be a puppy that means something too. And look, a little frog there too. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love dogs so hard. I am more of a dog person than I am a cat person. No shade to cats. I do like cats, but I really love dogs. Dragonfly. I'm always so in awe of people's creative processes. The eagle, like just watching how swiftly this manifested through Jamie, watching her progress and process was just so cool. Fireflies, lightning bugs. I haven't seen lightning bugs before. They're endangered, which is really sad. I've always wanted to go to the the firefly cave on the South Island of New Zealand. Hopefully one day I'll get there. Fox. So pretty. The shine on that resin. I love frogs. Dom was so fascinated. So he got this really great book out from his library at school. And we were reading about it. It's got different species and it tells you about how many different types of like frogs there are. And he was like so fascinated by the poison arrow frogs. And then I took him to the aquarium here. They've got quite a few different types of poison arrow frogs, and he was just like raptured with them. He's like, they're so tiny and they're poison. And then we were like discovering all about it. It's so freaking cool. I gotta say, one of the coolest things about having a little one is like experiencing life through them. It's so great. Goats, also the cutest. Grasshopper, Jiminy Cricket. So talented, Jamie, I can't even. Egret, I'm gonna guess. No, A, B, C, D, E, F. That's gotta be something else. What is that? We're looking it up. Let's have to grow. Green heron. That was so wrong. Although it doesn't look green. Okay, so that's a heron, a green heron. No. That's got to be a little ground hog. Yeah. Groundhog. They also did a little thing at school about the groundhog. It's very cute. It's a little birdie of some description. I'm not very good with birds, am I? Oh, it's a hen. Doi. That is a hen. Makes sense. I think it might have been the angle that threw me, and I also didn't want to get it wrong. Horse. Not that there's anything wrong with getting things wrong. We all make mistakes, and I'm certainly in no way perfect. This is a horseshoe crab. Aren't they the freaking coolest looking things ever? I love that Jamie put them in this like galaxy. They're so ancient. They are so cool. Little freaky looking, but really, really rad. I love hummingbirds. I like a lot of animals, I guess you can say. Oh, look at the little infinity. One of the coolest experiences was the first time I ever saw hummingbirds, which was in Peru, because we don't have them in Australia. So when I went to South America, I saw them in Peru for the first time, and I was just like, oh my gosh, they made my heart so happy. They really are little birds of joy. Jellyfish. Lynx. Gorgeous color choices with that lynx. Beautiful blues. This turquoisey color is one of my favorite colors. Mousy. Now, I don't have the downloads, so I can't tell you too much about the meanings, but I am going to use them in Oracle Wednesday. So hopefully, but I do know, as you saw on the actual cover of the box. So if you do purchase the deck or the portal tiles, you do get a link to the download to be able to get the guidebook and the journal. Possum. So you do get it. It's just not in the actual thing. Oh, owl. Bees and owls, my two favorite. Panda. So cute. Piggy. Love the coloration of that pig. Super gorgeous. Mantis. Oh, the little ladybugs. Such gorgeous details. Hair. Oh, yes. I'm looking forward to that spring energy coming in. Obviously it makes me think of Ostara. Raccoon. Trash panda. Trash panda. We have so many trash pandas. I think they are the cutest. They get really big though. They get bigger than a cat, and they will take on a cat. I've heard them kill a crow before, and it was nasty. Red panda, having a snooze, living the life. This red panda knows what is up. Now we have an eagle or hawk. Is that a hawk? No, that can't be a hawk if we're up to P. What is it? Oh, it is a red-tailed hawk. Okay, cool. Cool. Red-tailed hawk. Otters! Oh, my total favorite. I love sea otters. They are so cute. They stink like fish, but they are freaking adorable. There's quite a few of them at the Vancouver Aquarium, so I got to spend a bit of time with them yesterday on the weekend. They are so freaking cute. Seahorse. As many of you know, I wanted to be a marine biologist, so I love a lot of animals in the ocean. A hammerhead shark. And they have that shaped head. They can use it to scuff through the sand because they eat stingrays. This little fun fact for you all. Skunk. So pretty. Snake. So glad I got to do this side by side. I think it really shows like the way that this translates so gorgeously into both formats. Spider, my least favorite thing on the planet. I know that they're necessary. They just scare the absolute bajinkas out of me. Squirrel. Lots of them around here. Tortoise. Oh, I love the colours. Jamie, you're so good at it. Hornet? No, Jack. That's got to be a wasp, sorry. Oh, whale. A beautiful humpback whale. The song of those. Wild turkey. And woodpecker. These are so blinking delightful. Shh, it's all right. Thor's just growling. It's okay, he's at my feet. You can hear someone upstairs. And so it comes in the box as well at the back. Shh, it's okay, puppy. So you have the numbers there. So I'm just going to give this a wee shuffle. Now, circular decks, I actually don't have too much of a problem shuffling because I do shuffle I say that and I screw it up. That's what you get for showing off, Anthony. Karma's like, haha. I am really in struggle town, aren't I? Oh, they've got that beautiful, got that almost textured feel on the back. So you can riffle, or you can just shuffle like this. And that was the cow. Yeah. Oh, there's a couple. I have a number of circle decks. I was thinking of doing like a circle deck video. Been a little crazy trying to get a bunch of projects done, as you can all see from the video I just posted. So, okay, so let's have a look. Possum. So I know they're very industrious and they care for their young, so I'm gonna have to go and look it up. But I did want to show you both of them. I think they are absolutely stunning. I'm a big fan of Jamie's. I have all of Jamie's decks. I have all of her tiles. I am a massive fan. I'm going to, of course, put a link in the description box below as to where you can go and support her work. She has a couple of websites, and this has been Nature's Portals. Sawyer's Nature's Portals, let's get that title right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.